Hi,
Hi.
how are you today?
Happy.
Happy. Okay, so today we will have our speaking test. Are you ready? Yes, so today we will have our speaking test, and our speaking test is consists of two parts. First part, I'm going to ask you personal questions, and for the second part, you will tell me your vacation plans. Okay, so before we start, please introduce yourself.
My name is Lisa. I am 10 years old. I live in Songkran. My school, my school is February school. I am
Okay, grade 5. Okay, so now I will ask you. So what is your favorite food and drink? So your favorite food is lemonade. Okay, so do you like sushi, Lisa? Oh, how about grape juice? Okay, so what did you do yesterday? With your family or friends? Only you. Okay, so what do you want to be when you grow up? So you want to help sick people. Okay, so now let's proceed to topic 2. So please talk about your plans. Yeah. Why? Or bus or taxi? Okay. How about in the evening? Okay, so what are you going to take with you? Oh, okay. So thank you, Lisa. That